Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get magnesium naturally. Magnesium is a crucial mineral involved in over 300 enzyme systems that regulate diverse biochemical reactions in the body. These include protein synthesis, muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Ensuring adequate intake is vital for overall health, as many people are deficient. Many delicious foods are packed with magnesium. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are among the best sources. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds also provide significant amounts. Don't forget legumes, including black beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Whole grains, such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa, are another fantastic way to boost your magnesium naturally. Incorporating more magnesium into your diet is simpler than you think. Try adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or omelet. For a healthy snack, munch on a quarter cup of almonds or walnuts. Black beans are versatile. Include them in your salads, soups, or even tacos. Opting for whole grain bread and pasta over refined versions also makes a difference. Beyond just meeting your daily needs, sufficient magnesium offers numerous benefits. It can significantly improve your sleep quality and help reduce stress levels, contributing to a calmer mind. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and a healthy heart rhythm, supporting your overall well-being. For an enjoyable reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.